Telangana police has closed its probe into the death of Rohit Vemula, claiming he was not a Dalit and died by suicide because he was afraid his real caste identity would be discovered. Vemula, then a student of University of Hyderabad, died by suicide in 2016. The closure report filed in Telangana High Court says that the caste certificates of Vemula family were forged and Rohit was aware of that. Cops claim that Rohit died by suicide because he was scared that if the truth comes out, he might lose his degrees and face expulsion. The closure report said case has been closed on account of lack of evidence to establish that accused have driven the deceased to commit suicide. Speaking exclusively to Times Now, Rohit's brother says cops are working to help the BJP. The family will be travelling to Hyderabad to meet Chief Minister Revanth Reddy today.
You knew about the report?
Yes. We are looking for a legal option now.
Okay.
Yeah. I just wanted to ask police one thing. Police, what is the police work? What they need to identify? Investigate.
Yeah.
Whether there was a discrimination or not.
Yes.
How he committed suicide? What led him to commit suicide?
Okay.
The police should not work on the caste status.
Okay.
That is not their job.
Okay. You still claim that you belong from SC community?
We are belong from SC community until the district collector cancels the certificate.
So fight will be on.
Yeah, fight is still on. It's not off. See, if they want to go blindly,
yes,
around those leaving those BJP and ABP people, they won't find anything.
Yeah.
So they are favoring those BJP level.
So police is favoring is what you're saying?
Police is favored by BJP leaders and ABP people.
Well, the closure report has given a clean chit to all the accused, absolving them, and then Sikandrabad MP Bandaru Dattatreya MLC and Ramchandra Rao and University of Hyderabad Vice Chancellor Appa Rao, besides Union Minister for Women and Child Development Smriti Irani, who was then HRD Minister, and leaders of the ABVP. Remember, Vemula's death snowballed into a political controversy with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi taking on the centre in Parliament and then Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani slamming alleged attempts to project it as a caste battle. Here is what Rahul said then.
वायदों का जाल बिछाया मोदी जी ने, मैं ये करूंगा वो करूंगा और फिर सवाल उठने लगे। पहला सवाल रोहित वेमुला ने पूछा, उठाया, मेरी क्या गलती है? मैं दलित हूं, इसलिए मुझे क्यों मारा जा रहा है? मुझे क्यों कुचला जा रहा है? मुझे क्यों दबाया जा रहा है? यही सवाल पूछा उसने। क्या मेरे लिए हिंदुस्तान में भविष्य नहीं होना चाहिए? मेरी माताजी गरीब है, क्या मेरे लिए भविष्य नहीं होना चाहिए? और आप लोग क्या करते हो? हिंदुस्तान की सरकार की शक्ति उसके कंधों पे ऐसे दबा देते हो। उसको आपने दबाया और बेचारे ने आत्महत्या कर दी। बात यहां आपके मंत्री कहते हैं कि भाई वो दलित था, नहीं था। सवाल ये नहीं है, सवाल ये है कि हिंदुस्तान के एक युवा की जिंदगी को ऐसे खत्म क्यों किया गया? सवाल यही है। अच्छा, नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने ना उसकी मां को फोन लगाया, ना उसके बारे में बोला, एक शब्द नहीं उठाया उन्होंने।
Well, big breaking news coming in after giving clean chit to all the accused in the Rohit Vemula death case. The Telangana police has decided to reopen the case again as family alleges conspiracy. We have Ankit joining us from the newsroom with more details on that development. Yes, Ankit.
Swati, we have a press note issued by the police. It says reinvestigation will be launched by police into Rohit Vemula case issued yesterday. Today, various news stories and reports are circulating on several print, electronic and social media channels regarding crime number so-and-so of Gachibowli police station, Hyderabad, wherein Shri Rohit Vemula, a student of Hyderabad Central University, had died by suicide on 17 January 2016. It is to state that the investigating officer in the case was Assistant Commissioner of Police Madhapur, and the final report in the case was prepared in the year 2018 based on the investigation conducted at the time. The final report was officially filed in the jurisdictional court on 21st March 2024. So the report was prepared in 2018, filed in 2024 by the investigating officer. As some doubts have been expressed by the mother and others of the deceased Rohit Vemula on the investigation conducted, it has been decided to conduct further probe into the case. A petition will be filed in the court concerned requesting the Honorable Magistrate to permit further investigation into the case, and it is signed by the DGP Telangana. So a couple of facts come to light. The final report was prepared in 2018. It was only filed in 2024, and based on the victim there, Rohit Vemula's mother and other people expressing doubt, the police has said that it will re-probe this case after seeking permission from the court and the magistrate concerned.
Right. So after filing the closure report, the Telangana police has decided to relaunch the case, to probe it again. Somit is joining us with more details. Some details have come to light, Somit, now that in 2018 the report was prepared, and in the month of March this year the report was filed in the court. But after the family has expressed doubt and the family has alleged conspiracy, you spoke to the family members as well, the police have decided to reopen the case.
Well, it is obviously expected from the Congress party that, they will be taking this step, because after Rohit Vemula's death has reported, it was the Congress party who has taken up the protest, and starting from the NRCI to Rahul Gandhi, they hit the roads, and Rahul Gandhi visited a couple of times. They staged a protest, massive protest for several days, and later it kept on escalating, and they made several allegations against BJP leaders, including Smriti Irani, then VC Appa Rao, former MLC Ramchandra Rao, former MP Bandaru Dattatreya, who is the present governor, sitting governor. So several leaders faced allegations in this matter, and however later BRS government has stated that impartial investigation will be conducted, and later investigation was
But this definitely has given an opportunity to the Bharatiya Janata Party, because in the closure report it says, Somit, stay on with us, the deceased himself is aware that he does not belong to the SC community and that the mother got the certificate. Bharatiya Janata Party leaders started responding to it, saying truth prevails. Now, this has led to a massive face-off. The fact that this case was closed when a Congress government is in power in the state, the party is passing the buck. Congress leaders say the probe was initiated when BRS was in power and at the behest of BJP. They have now vowed to reopen the case. In a late-night development, Telangana DGP issued a note saying that as some doubts have been expressed by the family of the deceased about the investigation conducted, it has been decided to further investigate the matter. A petition will be filed in the court concerned requesting the Honorable Magistrate to permit further investigation in the case. The politics on this issue continues.
रोहित वेमुला की आत्महत्या हमारे लिए एक झटका थी, क्योंकि हम केंद्र सरकार में थे और हम सेंसिटिव हैं। वो दलित थे या नहीं थे, ये कोई इशू नहीं था। इशू ये था हमारे लिए कि एक देश का युवा आत्महत्या करने को क्यों मजबूर हो रहा है, ऐसी कौन सी परिस्थितियां बन गई। लेकिन तो सवाल उन लोगों पे उठना चाहिए कि इसी रोहित वेमुला के चक्कर में 1.5 महीने पार्लियामेंट नहीं चलने दिया गया था। कहा गया था कि दलित विरोधी हैं नरेंद्र मोदी, आदिवासी विरोधी हैं नरेंद्र मोदी। यही राहुल गांधी थे, ये फर्जी झूठे राहुल गांधी उस वक्त नाटक कर रहे थे। आज उन्हीं की सरकार है ना। अब हो सकता है कल रिव्यू के बहाने मंगवा लें ये रिपोर्ट, लेकिन आप सोचिए कि किसी भी एक युवा भविष्य की मौत पर ये राजनीतिक रोटी सेकते हैं, तो ये मोहब्बत की दुकान में सिर्फ नफरत बेच रहे हैं।
The entire investigation was done during the previous government, which was the BRS government, and the BRS government in collusion with the BJP would have instructed the concerned officials, the investigating officials, to give the clean sheet to all the accused, and based on that they would have prepared such a report. But we are not going to leave it here. We are going to approach the higher judicial authority, and we will have the case reopened, we'll have the case reinvestigated, we'll have a complete relook into it.